a quiet snowy village, there lived a little girl named Alina. Her home was small, but her dreams were huge. Every Christmas, she decorated her whole wooden door with palm branches and handmade ornaments. One winter, the village received the heaviest snowfall in years. Alina's door hanging, her favorite tradition, had become old and warm. She wished she could make a new one, something beautiful, something magical. She looked at her table, a few twigs, an old ribbon, and a couple of pine cones, and she whispered, maybe magic began with something simple, just like our craft today. Let's begin making the rustic base. Pick a wooden ring, an embroidery hoop, or even a circle made of flexible twigs. Wrap it tightly with jute rope or a strip of burlap. Don't try to make a perfect rustic. Beauty lies in its natural look. Tie the end with a knot at the back. This is the foundation of our hanging, just like hope was the foundation of Alina's dream. As Alina worked on her little door hanging, she remembered her grandmother saying, the most beautiful decorations are made with love, not money. So she smiled, gathered fallen pine branches from outside her door, shook off the snow, and brought them inside to warm. Now take some fox greenery, real pine branches, use whatever you have, arrange them on her lay half on your ring in half moon shape. Use jute thread or floral wire to secure the strap. Let the branches bend naturally. Don't force them into shape. A rustic decoration should feel like it grew the way all of its round. Alina's had no store bought ornaments, but she did have teeny berries from the backyard bush and pine cones from last year. She cleaned them, painted the tips with a little flour and water to look like snow, and placed them gently in her arrangement. Every piece she added felt like a memory. Take a small pine cone, wooden beads, cinnamon sticks, or little rustic balls. Attach them to the center using hot glue. Let them form naturally, creating a soft, country-style balance. You can even add dried oranges for fragrance and color. Remember, you are not just decorating, you are building a feeling. Cut a white strip or burlap or jute ribbon. Make a loose bow, nothing too tight. Glue it at the top of bottom, whatever you piece feel complete. Rustic style is not about symmetry, it's about warmth. And just like Alina's today, you made something simple, honest, and full of love. The rustic Christmas door hanging is not just a decoration, it's a story you hang on your home. We hope you like the video. If you like, so please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.